Hi, Bob Clayton here from PolyTuff Systems International. It's not unusual walking across a parking lot to see a piece of concrete collapsing at an expansion joint and control joint intersection. Over time, water will get into these expansion joints and migrate under the slab and wash away the subbase. And what once was a small triangular collapsing of a corner turns into a larger triangular collapsing of the corner into a small pothole that will then in turn into a large, deep pothole. These potholes become dangerous to your patrons and to their cars. And further potholing and further cracking will continue as long as these areas remain untreated. PolyTuff Systems International has a method of treating these expansion joints and control joints so that further cracking doesn't occur and the further washout of the subbase doesn't occur and collapsing of the slab. PolyTuff Systems International utilizes the PTuff Classic Sand Slurry and the E101 joint sealants to treat these harmful cracks in the slab. PolyTuff Systems International recommends crack chasing and saw cutting joints or cracks a 1/16 of an inch wide to a 1/4 by 1/4 and then pre-striping them and filling them with PTuff Classic or PTuff Classic Sand Slurry. Here we see the pre-stripes that have taken place in the parking lot area are commonly called crack chasing. The PTuff Classic is an elastomeric coating that is not rigid and therefore is capable of filling very large, deep cracks and scaled areas in one application. Since it's not epoxy, it's highly flexible and able to move with the concrete. Even large potholes are able to be repaired. Here, this 3.5 inch deep pothole was repaired in one application. You can see we simply remove the rocks and fill the pothole with PTuff Classic Sand Slurry, which was drivable, by the way, in about 4 hours. As we look at this pothole, we can see that the finish coat was tinted to match the color of the concrete. Whether treating the whole slab or individual potholes, it's certainly okay to use the PTuff Classic for that application. Here we see wood fiber that has been installed in the expansion joints to carry them through the slab so that the finish coat is not cracked. The application of the PolyTuffcrete Sand Slurry and PolyTuffcrete finish system is then applied to the parking deck and pre-stripe. A wide range of colors are available with the PolyTuffcrete. You'll notice as you look at this parking lot that much of the pre-striping and the pothole filling does not show through the coating. The PolyTuffcrete and the BTuff 921 is able to be used over asphalt as well as concrete. This is an elastomeric system that is waterproof. In this application, you can see that it was applied over asphalt over occupied space in a storage area. The coating is an elastomeric system. It is poured out and squeegeed into place. The PolyTuff systems are low odor and decorative and can be applied over concrete and asphalt. Even decorative finishes for rooftop living and pool decks, as well as faux tile finishes in parking deck structures. A wide range of decorative finishes are able to be applied with the PolyTuffcrete and the PolyTuff deck coating system for traffic grade membranes on parking lots or parking garages with an assortment of decorative finishes. Most of these systems are able to be completed in one day. The PolyTuff Systems International manufactures a wide range of joint sealants, deck coatings for parking garages, parking lots, rooftop living, and balcony and breezeway applications. Feel free to give us a call at any time at 866-977-8833.